In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Shein. This is an essential skill for maintaining your account security and ensuring that your personal information stays safe. So let's dive right in and walk through these simple steps. First, we need to head over to the Shein website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Shein URL, or simply search Shein in your search engine and click on the official website link. Once you're there, look towards the upper corner of the homepage. You should see an area for logging in or accessing your personal account. This is your gateway to making any changes to your settings, including your password. Next, we want to head into the Personal Center. This is like your control hub on Shein, where you can view and manage all aspects of your account. Once you're clicked into the Personal Center, it's time to navigate to the My Account section. This section is crucial because it holds all your account details and the options to modify them. Within the My Account section, you'll want to focus on finding and clicking the Manage My Account option. This will likely bring you to a new page dedicated to your account management and security settings. This area is specifically designed to help users like you easily change important settings, ensuring that your account remains up to date and safe from potential security threats. Now we're getting to the key part of this process, changing your password. You should see an option labeled Change. This is usually located under a heading like Change Password. Click on this link or button to proceed to the next step. It's important to note that at this stage, you might be required to verify your identity. This verification could take the form of re-entering your current password or answering a security question. These steps are in place to ensure that only the rightful account owner can make such changes. Once you've completed any necessary verifications, you'll be able to enter your new password. Remember, when creating a new password, choose something that's both secure and memorable. A good rule of thumb is to combine upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessed information such as common words or significant dates like birthdays. After you've entered your new password, you simply need to confirm it by typing it again. This double entry ensures that you haven't accidentally mistyped and that your new password is exactly what you intended. Once you've confirmed your new password, look for a Save or Submit button to finalize the change. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully changed your password on Shein. By keeping your password updated, you've taken a significant step in safeguarding your online identity and maintaining the integrity of your personal information. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.